In this video, I'll be showing you how you block sites on your Google Chrome. So I'll be showing you guys two different ways to do that. The first way will be the settings option, and the second way will be the extension option too as well. So now let's start with the procedure. So to do this, let's start with the settings. So you move to your Chrome like this. You move to your settings, you tap on the three dots here, you tap on the settings here. On your settings, you move to your privacy and security. And on here, you move to site settings and you can scroll to the bottom here. Good. And you see additional content settings. Just open that. Good. And now it depends on the type of block you want to make. You can block JavaScript from site. So let me open that for you to see. So you just add the site here, tap on the add and you add the site by the URL. And here you can see this here, which is pop-ups and redirects. You can, block all that too. You tap on that, you add the site, you enter the URL and then you block pop-ups and redirects from these sites. And you can see intrusive ads too. You can do the same thing. You can tap on add site and you do the same thing, simple and easy. And now let me show you guys the second option, which is this. So you need to open your web store. I think every Chrome browser has that. You can see that here. Just tap on that, search Chrome web store and you hop on a page like this and you search this focus guard, because I think this is featured. A lot of people use this on Chrome web store. So let's search that. Focus guard, you can see an extension to block sites. Good. So now you have to install it. I already have it here, but then if you don't have it installed, you see install it here. So you install, you download it, and then you pin it on your Chrome. It's going to appear here. So this is where you find your extensions. So there's it. When you tap on this, it moves. And when you tap on this, you pin it there. So now you tap on it like this after installing, and then you change the block site. You tap on that and you add every site you want to block on your Chrome here. So let's say you want to block Facebook. So you just do it, www.facebook.com, and that's it. You've added Facebook to your blocked site. So now when you're on Chrome, you cannot open facebook.com. The extension is going to block that. So that's it on how you block sites on your Google Chrome. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.